People on the internet are going bananas over Nano Banana, a new image editing model from Google's DeepMind. It is the top rated image editing model in the world. And just a few hours back, Nano Banana was integrated into Google's Gemini. So you have more control now than ever to create the perfect image you always had in mind. The use cases are multiple. You can use it for product photography, for fashion photography, for social media images, and many more. All it takes is your creativity and the perfect prompt. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you a detailed walkthrough of how you can use Nano Banana using Google's Gemini. And the best part, you can use it for free. Are you excited? Let's get started. Welcome to this tutorial of using Nano Banana with Google's Gemini. Before we get started, I want to share with you a few cool use cases. You can change your costume or location in any picture that you upload. You can blend two photos together and you can do multi-turn editing, which means you first upload an image, make some edits, and in that edited image, you can make more edits. The AI remembers your previous commands and has context in mind, which makes it more powerful than ever. Let's take a few examples one by one. So, this is one image that I clicked. Just click a few days back sitting in my car with my seatbelt on, and this is the image that I created. I gave the prompt, make me look like a princess in the Ramayana and holding flowers, and this is what I got. Let's take a closer look. My face looks like how it does in real life, although it's a little bit Ramayanized, I guess, like with the center parting and all that. Wearing a sari, holding some flowers, it definitely is giving Indian princess vibes from the medieval era. Gemini, or should I say Nano Banana, has done a great job. Now I wanted to blend two photos together. This is the same selfie I used sitting in my car. This is a photo of my dog Lucy, and this is the image Gemini created of me petting Lucy. The prompt that I used was make this woman pet this dog, make a picture of them together. And this picture looks so natural. Like the previous image looked a little bit AI, but this one looks super natural. Like if I tell you this is a real image, I'm sure you would 100% believe. I love how Nano Banana has managed to keep the carpet intact as well. And there is a couch on the background. This looks like this was clicked in your living room. I love the realism in this image. Another cool use case of Nano Banana is virtual try on, which means you can upload your picture with the picture of a dress that you like to purchase from any e-commerce site, and you can ask Nano Banana to combine this for you and make it appear as if you are wearing that dress. And this is the output image I got of me wearing the dress. You can see the background, everything is intact, although my face looks a little bit distorted because I had to run it multiple times. Let me show you what I mean exactly by that. So this was my prompt in Google Gemini. I uploaded these two images and I wrote, make this woman wear the black dress. And the first result I got was, I was just wearing the dress on top of my regular clothes, which is not what we are looking for. So I made a new prompt. Can you make her wear the dress after removing everything else she's wearing? Then I got another image where the top was removed but the pants were still there, which is not ideal because it doesn't give me an idea of how the dress exactly looks on me. So I gave another prompt, can you remove the pants so her legs are visible? And finally I got this last image. Although my face appears a little bit distorted after this image going through editing 3 rounds. So that is one potential limitation. You can see how powerful Nano Banana is, and no wonder it's the top rated image editing model in the world. There are some other cool use cases, like you can colorize and enhance old photos, you can use it for interior design, you can use it for product photography, you can use it for e-commerce stores, and many more. Let me give you a live demo of how you can use Nano Banana in Google's Gemini for interior design. First step is uploading an image. I have selected a blank image that I downloaded from the internet. It's an image of a living room. So I want this living room to have a bookshelf. So I'm going to write add a bookshelf from floor to ceiling on the blank wall in this room. That's the prompt I gave, and let's see how long it takes for Google Gemini and Nano Banana to generate this image. Oh, by the way, let me mention that you do not need to buy a pro plan of Gemini. I don't have a pro plan, as you can see. I am on the free plan, and even then, Gemini has been able to generate such high quality images for me using my prompt. The image is ready, and we have a bookshelf in this blank room. I love it. What if we add a couch somewhere here in front of the bookshelf? I have also downloaded an image of a couch, so I'm gonna upload that image. This is the sofa that I selected, so I'm gonna write this prompt: add this sofa in the room. I just gave Gemini a lot of creative liberty. I wrote the prompt: add the sofa in the room where you think it fits best. Let's see what Nano Banana comes up with in this case. We got a result of the room with the couch added, a bookshelf and a couch have been added. Looks pretty good. So this is what I mean by multi-turn editing. Like you saw in the first step, we just added a bookshelf, and in the second run, we added this sofa into the room, and this is the final result we got. This is just a demo. The rest is up to your imagination, how well you can prompt this AI to get the results that you have always wanted. Now let's talk about the possible limitations of Nano Banana. Even though it's super powerful, while trying on clothes, sometimes the old clothes are not removed properly. And if it's a person's face that you're editing in multi turns, there are some face distortions that might occur. Like, for example, in this case, my face has been distorted somewhat by Nano Banana while making the edits. That said, Nano Banana is a super powerful image editing model, and I cannot wait for you to try it. Definitely let me know all the cool things you come up with. If you have any questions on how you can use Nano Banana to make the image of your dreams, do let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll be back again soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep hustling. Cheers!